So we start off today's video with this volumized roller set. So she's going to be doing a blowout with this one and then going in with the very popular Velcro rollers. I love her eye makeup and hair color, so pretty. So if you guys are looking for some ways to add some volume to your hair, the Velcro rollers are definitely going to be your very best friend. You can grab these off of Amazon, of course. So here she is taking the rollers down. So she said that she thought that her hair was going to be more curled, and with these kind of rollers, the bigger they are and the shorter your hair is, really depends on how the curl will come out. So if you have short hair like this, I suggest smaller rollers so that you do have more of a tighter curl. And then of course, if you have longer hair, you want to use larger rollers. I think this actually came out really pretty. It kind of looks like she has the wolf cut with this. Lots of volume. I think it's gorgeous. So then here we have someone else trying a heatless roller. I recently purchased this myself from Amazon, and it is one of my best buys for 2023. You get amazing curls with it. And I really love her hair color as well. So pretty. And her hair is so long and the curls came out amazing. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So for those of you who are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we'll be taking a look at a variety of trendy hairstyles. So if you're looking for some new ways to shake things up with your boring strands, you've come to the right place. If you do feel inspired by any of these hot hairstyles, please be sure to like today's video, give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So here we have someone adding in some braids to the hair. She did have some gold accessories with that. Very pretty style. I love her natural curl pattern, so pretty. So she did 3 half up, half down ponytails for this particular look. Looks like she's braiding them. Oh, she put the third one in a ponytail. Very interesting. And then we have someone else doing a Velcro roller set. So once again, you can grab these off of Amazon. I might even have them linked below. And she's actually using a good size for her particular hair length. Her curls are smaller than the previous girl. Well, her rollers are smaller than the previous girl. And her hair is also longer. She actually used a couple of different size rollers here. She used small, more of a medium. And then we have someone who decided to switch up their hair completely. Wow, beautiful red copper tone. Gorgeous. And then we have someone styling their shoulder length bob. So she does have curtain bangs with this particular look. Okay, so she's bobby pinning those back and adding some height at the crown. This is like a very retro 60s inspired style. And then we have someone else showing us several different heatless curl methods. I think that they all look beautiful. I'm so happy that there are so many different ways that you can curl your hair without using a lot of heat nowadays. You can also braid your hair when it's wet, and then we have someone else with a really pretty hair color. She's doing like the bathrobe curls. I actually like it when the hair is like tighter and curled more dense than when it's looser. And that way the curls will last longer if you like leave them tightly curled versus, you know, brushing them out. So we have someone doing a blowout here for the next style. And she did have a roller, Velcro roller going there in the bangs, giving it that nice and volumized effect. Tangle inspired hair for spring. This is such a pretty hairstyle. I think it would actually make for a really pretty prom hairstyle. And then we have a half up, half down style with a braid and a beautiful ribbon to finish it off. Alright you guys, I hope you enjoyed today's hairstyles. If you did, please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.